Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, meet Megan with Miss Rara. So today we will talking about the non-adaptive SAT prediction test 4 with the section 2 and then the first module. So let's go. So as you can see, you have the x equals 7. What is the value? X plus 20. So you just adding 7 plus 20, there will be 27. So we will continue for the number second. For the number second, just reading for the statement first. So sometimes you don't need to calculate everyone because in this information you have in the addition mode 4, so you can add this one 4, this is 9. So this is the mean, it's equal 9. So this one is same, you adding this one 4, there will be 9. So this is minus 9, there will be 18. So 18 divided by 5, it's more than still 9. So this one more greater than 9 value. So you can see the mean of the data set of the x is less than. Yeah. So the answer very clearly without calculate the means. Okay. So now we will continue for the next. I'm so sorry because in this material we just only taking screenshot, but the number is not rearranged by the number. Yeah. So you just follow by how to solve this problem actually. So in this information, you have in the 3x. Sorry, let me make it again. So from this information, you have the x equal 20, 4x equal 20. But they asking you by 3x, that the meaning for the 3x value is 15. So minus 15 plus y equal minus 7. So you get the y is equal 8. So the value of x is 5. You just because they're asking you about what the x plus y. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So the answer is very clearly 13. So we will continue for the next number. For the next number, as you can see, there is two right triangles similar, left side on the right side, but they say where the P is correspond to S, that the meaning of angle of this one, it's same with angle of this one. Where the key angle is 18 degree, and then as we know the information, the triangle is the total of the angles is the 180, because there is angle R, which means they are minus 90 degree and then minus 18 degree, so you will get the value 72 degree of the angle of the V. So that's the meaning, the angle of the S is also 72 degrees. So the answer clearly B. And then we will continue for the next number. So for the next number 4, a rocket contains 467,000 kilograms. The propellant before launch. Before launch is that's the meaning, this the beginning or the zeros, yeah. So from this information, exactly after 20 seconds, there will be like this one of the propellant remain. So what is the average approximate how much propellant in kilogram did the rocket burn after second launch? So you will get for 67,000 because this is the start, and after 20 seconds there will be 362, 105. There you will get the value. I'm sorry everyone because I'm not using the calculators. So there will be 104,000.5 because after the burn, after burn, that's the meaning you need to divide the times after the burn is 21 seconds. You can use using decimals, it's okay. So this 121, you can think with the calculator actually, because 21 divided by this one, it must be 1,000 up. So the answer must be 4,995 kilograms. So next we will continue. So in this information, when you have training total hours in 85, where the x is they said on site, so you can take a note. On site is equal 10x, and then online training is 15y. That's the information you have. They're asking you how many hours does online training course, take them on site. So you need online training minus online site, there will be 15 minus 10, there will be 5 more than the on-site training. So we continue to the next numbers. For the next number, if you try to calculate this one by one, it doesn't matter. But there is a hint. Why? What is the hint actually? You have the information of the length of the side, length of the x, or we can say side of the x is equal to 12 centimeters, and the information perimeter of the y is equal to 2 times of the perimeter of the x. If you want to try one by one, but don't forget everyone, this is 2 times that, the meaning you do to multiply also by the 12 if you want to pass. But if you want to try, is it real? Is it real? Yes, you can try, because the perimeter of the x is equal 4 times of the length of the side of is 12, 4 times 12 is 40x, yeah, and then you do to the 2, because perimeter of y, 2 times of the px, 2 times 48, it will be 96, and then you need to py equal 4s 96, yeah, and then 96 divided by 4 equal as, you will get the 24. Yeah, it's okay if you want to make it sure your calculation, it doesn't matter. But if you want to pass like this one. Okay, now we continue to the next numbers. For the next number of the egg, they say the given function blah blah blah. Now they say remains from a full gas tank in the car after driving an 8 miles. So you can note and will be changing how many gallons that you will fill your gas. So they say according to the model, how many gallons of gasoline are used to drive each of miles? It's very clear, the answer is 0.05. And then for the next question, if absolute for x minus 4 equal 9, 12, they said what is the positive value? Remember, you need to take a note what they're asking about. Because for the absolute there is 2 values. Absolute x is equal a, where they can be x more than 0, x minus x less than 0. Yeah. So because they're talking about the positive, so this one you can say 4x minus 4 equal 112. Don't try to calculate 4x equal 112 plus 4. No, you just do multiplication for x minus 4, x minus 1, 112. See, you can see clearly what they're asking about. So x minus 1, 112 divided by 4, there will be 25, 12, 3, 28, yeah? So the answer is 28. And then for the next question, okay, so in this information, they're asking you about what is the V value, where the term is x cubed. So you just see this one. Okay, so 5 plus 4 is equal 9. So we continue for the next question. The question is, what is the correctly equation in the term of the x? Express x in the terms of b and y. Because 17b equal 111x over y, they want to x in the terms. So the result must be b and y, everyone. So there will be, you do multiply by cross, so you will get y, 77b equal 77b. Okay, now we next to the next question. So for the 11, for this information, you just straightforward to see what the question asks. The question is, what is the value of the n? After that, you need to see the function. The function gives us the information. There is 4 in the tables. So this one information, you just only choosing one. Take it easy. Yeah, think which one of the row it's more easier for you. Because I want to take this one, it's okay. But remember, this is fx as 82. So you can write to be 82 where the x value is 10 minus 20x, there will be 110, 10m, do cancellation, you will get m as 11. So we will continue for the number 12, the number 13. For the number 13, you cannot do elimination from this information because you need to make sure are this statement is true or not. Because maybe in the future there is option not true about the statement. But let's see what they're asking about. Can you find what the value could given of the x? Because the information have the coordinate x, comma 53. So you need to try y is more than 40. Is it true? Yes, this one is true. So you can continue for the second. For the second, you have the 4x plus 53 less than 18. So you will get 4x less than minus 35. So you add minus 35 by 4. Because we know minus 35 divided by 4, it will be 8, and then because we still have the left value is 3 over 4, which means 0.75. So the smallest one from this information, who? So the answer will be minus 9. Okay, now we will continue for the next numbers. So the next number is the explanation about bacteria are growth in liquid growth medium. There were 300,000 cells per millimeter during the initial observation. So the initial, that's the meaning, is the beginning. The number of the cell per millimeter double. Double is the ratio, showing the ratio is equal to. They said every 3 hours. So the first 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours. So they're asking you how many cells you can do by, if you have a lot of time, you can use calculate by one, but it's nobody get time for that, everyone, because they say in 15 hours, as you can see, the growth population is talking about in geometric sequence or geometric series. So the formula of the geometric is Bn is B1 ratio times the n minus 1, right? Since the beginning it's talking about these materials. But here they are talking about the growth. The growth, there is no minus, so the formula will be Bn B1 times ratio. As you can see, the B1 is 300,000 in the beginning, it's initial observation. You can write to be, so I don't like calculate like 300,000 multiplied by what, so you can change 100,000 to be 10 power 5, and then the ratio is showing the 2 because they said the double, and then they're asking about you after 15 hours, but their R will be double after 3 hours, so you can write to be 15 divided by 3, so you will get the value 3 times 10 power 5, 2 power 5. As you know, 2 power 5 is 32 times 10 power 5, there will be 96. So you can just get the answer 96, everyone. So now we will continue for the next question. The next question, the information about this is the graph, the information, and then they say X is represented the number of the 1992 until 10 years on forward. So this is the hint from the information. And then we can analyze the data from the graph information. When you're talking about this one as the 1992, end of the 1992, the data is showing the 9. Yeah, the 9, but they are in thousand as the Y, so you can write this 9,000. Okay, so to information, you just see what the statement as the best. So you can see so we can see the statement. Okay, the statement is the 90s. So you can note this one as wrong, this one as wrong. So you can see there is 1990. There is the possibility answer. But remember, the 90 is the start of the end of the 1992. So the answer it will be D. Okay. So next to another question. Okay, this expression, they want you to make the equivalent, and then where the x and y are positive, everyone. If you want to make it easier, you just change the R to be from the irrational to be this one first. And then because the both of the terms, the both of the terms, variables, you can make their movie to be x, y power 9 times 1/7. So the answer very clearly on the B. Okay, so let's the number 17. They say the population of the city A increased by 7% from 2015 to 2016. If the population is K times on the 2015 population, what is the value of the K? So in the information, you see on 2015, you have the population as the symbolized P, but after, on 2016, there will be 70% up. That's the meaning, 70% up is that the meaning you up from the population on 2015. So 7% of the P. So you simplify, there will be 1 plus 0.07 P. So the result will be 107. So the answer will be C. Okay, now we will talking about the next question, which is the number 18. Okay, for the number 18, you don't need to calculate anything, but we can see very clearly they're asking about no solution. That's the meaning, because this information only we can see the slope. If they're having the same slope, that's the meaning there are no intersection. So the answer will be C. So for the number 22, this is not the last, yeah. Like I said, this is not rearranged the position. Okay, so this 22, they said 9x minus 10y is translated down for unit, because this is the translation, the geometry translation. When you go translation, there will be k equal 4, where the formula w plus k from the translate, yeah. So you have the formula 9x minus 10y equal 19. So you need to substitute every single y with the y plus 4. 9x minus 10 times y plus 4 equal 19. Simplify. 9x minus 10y minus 40, 19. So you need to simplify more. So you will get not minus. Actually, there will be 59. But see the question. What is the x-intercept? As we can see, x-intercept is the y equals 0. So you substitute this information, 9x minus 10 times 0, 59. So you will get the 9x equal 59, x equal 59 over 9. So from here, everyone, if you want to use this one, it's okay. If you want to change the R to be decimal, it's up to you also. Because it doesn't matter, because you have the decimals, right? Okay, now we go to another question, number 19. This question is similar from the previous, because they said the first term of the sequence is the 9. This is wrong, this is wrong. And then each term after the first 4 times of the preceding term. So there are, yes, the preceding terms that meaning after by after. And then what is the y represent for the end terms? So the Bn formula, B1 ratio n minus 1, B1 is the 9. First, for the first time, it's showing the ratio for n minus 1, so the answer will be D. Okay, so we will make another question. So for the next question, the minimum value of x, because they said the minimum value of x, so the x is 12 less than, yeah, less than you can symbolize this one or minus, but later in the future, because just imagine how to make it the function it first. 6 times of the number of the terms. So this one you can take to be 6n minus 12. No, this is just how to try to solve the problem first. And then you need to read it again. What is the minimum value? The minimum value, that's the meaning of x. This one is must be less than of the x. So this one x more than 6n minus 12. So the answer will be B. So we will continue. I think 21 is the last, I think. Yeah, so from the model 1 is the last for the number 21. So this information you don't know how to the right triangle. Who's the position on the right angle? But in here you can see who's the longest side. So there will be triangle. The longest side is T and R. That's the meaning the S is the position of the right angle. So this TR is the value 52, ST is 48, RS is 20. And then they say triangle is the similar with the UVW. UVW is correspondent, they said, as correspondent to V. So this is V, T is correspondent with the V. W, I mean. So this one to be U. They're asking you about what is the value tangan W. So tangan W is the formula opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 20. Adjacent is over 48. So you don't have any of the option. Yes, of course you need to divide by 4 both sides. So you will get 5 over 12. So the answer will be B. So everyone, I hope you enjoy what I'm explaining today. I hope you more study by yourself. If you doesn't have, if you don't understand, let me know by our comment below. But I hope you pretty understand about this material. See you on another video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.